My name is Akefenwa Mobolaji. I'm the CEO of Broadmine Special Projects, producers of the Chronicles of Construction. And today we are live at the COREN Engineering Assembly 2026. We'll be taking you through the exhibition hall where we have different products, different construction materials. We have some that are distributors, some that are manufacturers, and some that are importers. And they will be educating you on all the kind of construction materials that you need to know in this exposition. Come with us.
Panar Group consists of two companies in one.
Okay.
We have Panar Pipe Limited and we have Panar Packaging. Now let me start with Panar Pipes. Panar Pipes, we have been in the business over 50 years. Our factory is located in Kano, Sharada Industrial Estate, and we have our factory again in Lagos at Plot 447 Apapa Oshodi Expressway, Lagos. And we have another factory in Ogun State by Shaga Interchange. This factory will run all our pipeline in all this factory. Now, we are the leading, like I've said, we are the leading manufacturer of ADP pipe, UPVC pipes, casing and screen pipe, irrigation pipes. We have, this is our gas pipes and these are our casing pipes. All these were produced in all the three factories I mentioned to you. Permit me to say this, we run our pipe diameter from 20 mm diameter to 1000 diameter, from 6 bar to 20 bar respectively, which comprises of both UPVC and ADP pipes.
Okay, sir. Sir, what makes your pipe special from other companies or other manufacturers special?
Okay, our pipes are unique pipes. That's why I told you that we have been in the operation for the past 50 years. Based on the pipes we have produced. Our pipe production is basically project pipe. That is what we run in all our factories. And hardly you cannot find our pipes in any open market. We produce according to the design of or the specification of the client, which are the engineers. So that is what we do. You cannot just come to our factory and say you wanted to carry 20 mm diameter pipe in under the chest. No, we produce according to your specification and design. This is a packaging department under Panar Group again. Here we package for oil and gas at downstream. Downstream means all these are lubricants package for NNPC. This is a packaging for Total. This is NNPC packaging. This is 1 liter. This is 1 liter for Total. This is 25 liter for Adova. This is 25 liter for NNPC lubricant. This is 25 liter for Total lubricant. And the edible vegetables. This is this is Sunola products. So all this is also for Sunola products. All these are for pharmaceutical products. These are for pharmaceutical products in the country. All these are generally blow molding materials which you can approach us even with your mold. We will definitely blow the mold for you to your taste and to your aspiration. These are what we are doing over here.
Okay, so you are basically the manufacturers of these plastics.
We are the manufacturer of all these.
Okay, that is wonderful.
And another, the beauty of another thing is that some clients approach us with their mold. oh, please, I wanted to go into production of this. Can you do it for us? We will definitely develop it for them. So if you are coming with your mold, you are welcome. And if you want us to develop it for you, we will equally develop it also for you.
Okay, so how accessible is the general public to your to make requests for your products? How accessible is that?
Yes, we are very accessible to everybody. For instance, if you have a project, you can come to us. We can partner with you. So instead of you stockpile our pipes in other chairs or whatever, you can come to us. We partner with you. Then the project goes.
This is the Chronicles of Construction, the art of building, the soul of storytelling, ubiquitous.